this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand. Friendship.
Yeah, guys, so you know, the Facebook here with you once more. So I find this beautiful spot right off Gilstead Street right here. Yes, guys, so today we are here to
In the silence of the night,
location of the place. Yeah, man, so right here now we find the best soup man both the place right now, you know. So yeah, the soup man both the place right now. Yeah, Gilly. Yeah, man, so what you're gonna get right here, so now we have soup. Yeah, man, so we're gonna find out what kind of soup we're doing in the past. So it's kind of big old shine pot right there, so now. Yeah, man, and you also have the upstairs where you're gonna get your lunch, your breakfast, also your tea. Yeah, man, so we're a long time from morning, man. I look where I'm going, man. From early this morning, from 5 o'clock. Yeah, man, so we're gonna find out what I'm going upstairs, guys. Yes, so you know we are on Gilstead Street, and I show the name of the restaurant already before. It's it on the wall, yeah, right on the wall right here. Yeah, man, see the name. Yeah, beautiful. Right over here, the menu board. Going right over here, I saw the menu board right here. So if you look right here, so guys, this means nice. So that's the menu board right here, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, man. So we're here, guys. So I'm gonna take you upstairs and see what's going on right now. Yeah, man. So we are going upstairs, guys, to see what's going on in the kitchen. Yes, man. Yeah, guys, so this is the upstairs of the building. This is this way to the restaurant. So we are actually in the restaurant, so I give you the road, and right here is where you find the juice. Nice, beautiful. So like I said, guys, we're also going to find out if they do natural juice, because I see a fridge right here. Yes. Yeah, guys, so we're here with a beautiful hard-working chef right here. And her name is Chantel, but on the restaurant on the road I see Shanty. What, Shanties? Shanties. So this is a beautiful, hard-working, beautiful lady right here. Yeah, man, she up the star, man. So what are we doing here this morning? Well, we still have soup downstairs.
Yeah, these are the soup things.
Oh, this for the soup?
All the meats already inside, bubbling and thing.
Nice, so this is
so
for
we're
the
doing
soup.
red pea soup this morning. It's Saturday morning.
Yes.
You know, it's a norm on a Saturday to have the red peas. So that's what we're doing this morning.
Nice.
Along with some stewed beef, some
nice.
curry mutton.
So we can show them where I'm going over the pot, someone.
Alright, so we have the rice and peas.
Yeah.
Coconut milk cooking down, you know, you spend a long time on your pimento.
Beautiful.
And your sweet pepper and you know the whole shrimp.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
you have the stewed beef.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
So
Saute down.
So when are we normally open again?
We
Like
open
from Monday
to Saturday. As early as 6 o'clock.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you don't have nobody in the restaurant help you? I say, are you
No,
alone?
well, you can't handle it, you know, I prep. You know,
Nice,
food to do at school. All we know Chantel know that Chantel.
Oh, food at school?
A boxer.
Oh, them know you?
Yeah.
Chef, you're a big chef. Come here, ask you how long you have. Hold on, tell them how long you have. Before you go to school, we know that.
Long before, my granny grew me, so you know me cook from granny days.
So you start
you
off with,
understand?
where you start off with? Fry egg?
Fry egg.
Nice.
Well, who is a fry egg? Because she always have me in the kitchen, you know. Both help her clean up her meal, show her how to cook. You know, from a tender age.
Nice.
So when she gonna work, you know, my brother them, you
Yeah.
have to cook for them. And my auntie, little auntie, mother, sister.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so Shanty, I just want to ask you something. So today is Saturday, right?
Yeah.
So during the week, what you're preparing today is what you prepare every day? Or?
No. So on different days we have different menus, right?
Okay.
So from time to time we will have a barbecue pigtail, we will have the baked chicken,
Alright.
we will have the oxtail, we will have the mutton as I tell you, today that's what we're doing.
Nice.
The beef, the stewed pork, you know, and
Nice,
other little
nice.
sweet and sour chicken. We have pasta that we do, we do chicken pasta, we do shrimp pasta, you can get it mixed. Yeah, we do the rasta pasta.
And we want to find out later how much to sell the food and fat. But right now, something a bubble up right now, so I'm lose a kick. Yeah. Right now, I'm lose a kick. So,
so it's a little beef and a much today.
Oh.
You know,
Because
we're not going with a lot today.
So you know, a bigger pot than this.
Yes, normally bigger.
Oh, you know the strips then. You know the strips. That's why you do what you do on a Saturday with this little pot. You know the crowd settings.
Yeah, man. We know what time it is.
You know what time it is.
So when it's run out now, you know, we put on the rest of food and, you know,
nice.
majority.
And over here says where you're going to put the rice and peas in.
Yeah, the rice and peas going in this
Nice.
pot, and we have the mutton in that one.
Mutton in this one.
Yeah.
The soup up on my head right now, so we soon go down the soup pot in the car. Right now, this I go up on the soup right now.
Yeah, man.
Pearl and Shanty there from morning, guys. From morning. The board them say come 6 o'clock. You see me? I want me come things almost done. That Mr. She there from what, 4 o'clock?
No.
What you there?
5:30.
You don't sleep, man.
Yeah, man, I sleep.
You sleep.
I leave here last night after 12.
After
I'm back
12.
at 5, yeah. Now we do chicken and chips downstairs, you know.
Chicken and chips too?
Yeah, we do loaded fries. We do
Beautiful. You mean same place for the soup pot, you do chicken and chips?
Yeah, man.
What you say? Van Mark, Friday?
Friday and Saturday.
Friday, guys. So on the Friday, so this
and
is
on holidays.
on holiday. So this is the place to come, right? A Chantel restaurant, otherwise called
Shanty
Shanty Sweet Pot. And over the big pot over there, so we have.
No, not really in another pot.
in
They
there,
just rest right there.
Oh, just this. All right, but there. What's the Karen and swag one?
Oh,
Karen and swag one.
that's for sure. We just have the cold food in this.
Oh.
And a mustard going with.
Oh, so
You know, we have the little cold food going on
Beautiful.
today.
So
we
the
have
cold
a
food finish?
roll with. Yeah, man.
Go for finish.
You see some up here cook, man.
Nice.
Cold straight.
Beans.
Yeah, so when it touch midday, now we put them at the second 10 minutes of food.
All right.
We'll go through.
So you had the breakfast?
Yeah, we're starting back breakfast this Monday.
You're starting it
pause
back?
Yeah.
Oh, you paused for a while?
Yeah, you know, to the holiday road.
Nice.
Pause, and I'm me alone.
Are you alone? So you want somebody to come help you?
Yeah,
You can watch pot in the Shanty. You can watch pot. You can
Everyone know our work can just circle the end. You understand? Hard working.
Me can work. Me can work for free. Just give me food.
Alright.
Just give me food. So yeah, then I'm on the natural juice. I say over here we have the juice settings.
Yeah, we'll have the natural juice, but we don't have none now.
Oh, oh, so that's
So
just keep in the
this
fridge
is
right here.
our-
This little fridge right here.
It's a deep freeze. Where
Deep
we store
freeze.
meat and
Oh. Yeah, I mean, yeah, for the restaurant, but natural juice is also keep in this fridge right here.
Yeah.
Nice, Shanty. Nice.
Yeah, man, we need to find out.
We're stick around and see, because Shanty a boss, everyone says she had the baddest thing from, you know, she can't tie shoelace, you know, so let's see what I go on, and then guys, we're going to make you know a taste also, you know, guy, what they early, you know. But besides Shanty, give me some, you eat breakfast on morning, Shanty?
No, you know me jump out of my bed and
See, you don't
work
make breakfast.
me a
See, you don't make breakfast.
Yeah?
Shanty, when you fry that little egg, them one with bread, you know, you see me? Because I know she can prepare breakfast, you know. Of course, Sasha boss says she can't cook, but she knows she can't cook. Because we shut them a talk about Shanty, and somebody send me pay, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody send me pay, because I never know the restaurant there, so.
Yeah,
Somebody
man.
say, yo, you need to go bust up the center car right, and I'm heat, I put up that, and it's bad. So, alright, Shanty, we're there, so we're so going, guys.
Wicked.
So this is the place to be, guys. So I'm going to go back downstairs, guys, and show you what going up on the road, so you can't miss. So right here is this way. I mean, Shanty not really clean up yet, but right there, so you can have your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. Ooh, on a big old soup, something. How much one of them, say, Shanty?
$800.
$800.
Four meat in the soup.
Nice.
And whole heap of food. You know, soup of body and then a flan.
Nice. And Shanty says she want to help, you know, so nobody want to come help Shanty, just come about what Shanty, I'm going to come to pay. Shanty, let's go work for free, man. What do you say?
Alright.
Alright, so Shanty, we'll soon come back up. We're going downstairs.
Alright,
Nice. Alright, guys, so upstairs we do with Shanty, so right, so the man him call it. Well, me say Lanky, otherwise called Stretch, but them say me and Birdie.
Yeah, one soup boss, you know.
See ya? The one soup boss in town right here, otherwise called Birdie. Yeah, man, the man a fly come and work early, that side of me and Birdie, you know.
Yeah, man.
The soup right here. Nice.
Red peas
Beautiful.
soup,
Oh, so birdie, what win in that soup, the birdie? Tell him what I go on with the soup.
I said have chicken foot,
Chicken foot. You sit there.
pigtail,
Pigtail.
cow skin.
Cow
Yeah,
skin.
mom, see my mother there.
Your mother is
Yeah,
birdie.
man, my
Say
mother,
birdie mommy there, you know. Birdie mommy, she teach you. Are you teaching one for cook? Of course. So this is a great old birdie, otherwise called lanky, otherwise
man.
called stretch. Yeah, man.
That's the best soup boy in the place.
Tell him what I go on.
No.
So how long you do this now, birdie?
Huh?
How long you do this?
A couple years I do it, you know.
Couple of years, well.
Yeah, but right
Great.
now you can say we start the business from about last year, September.
Oh, great,
Yeah, but a
birdie.
couple years where I make soup straight.
Nice. Right off here. So you can tell the guy them say, boy, I want to tell the people them, you know, I know say it's a very beautiful ends and nothing I really want you to say no. So I want to tell the people them, give them a reason why them can stop right. That's a birdie, you know, Shanty, otherwise called Shanty's restaurant.
Park, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you can stop yourself at any time. man.
Anytime.
Anytime. We have best food, boy.
Nice.
Yeah, man, in the town right now,
Yeah.
them say we have the best food. So
Nice.
man, I go around it. So
Nice.
the people them can stop at any time.
Nice.
Anytime.
And I'm
We
a
have-
parking spot, not
yeah,
worry
man,
about that.
not worry about parking, man.
And eating spot too.
Eating spot
Where you
up
can
here
sit
to see you can
upstairs.
sit down and eat, same.
Right.
Yeah,
Also, don't
man.
you say, you know, jump on a corner, you know, Jamaican
Yeah,
style,
man,
we
even
catch
the
up
one for
and
drink
cock up
soup
put.
too, right on the front right, so them can do it, so in the
course.
same way. Sit down
Nice.
and go and drink your soup.
You
It's
mean,
over
birdie?
there.
Yeah, for real.
man. At the right spot, you know.
Nice.
Tell you, you know.
We know that because man, they send me come and I find you.
All right.
Yeah.
At the right spot. Yeah, go round it.
Yeah, man, and then I get it out.
So me I load in now.
Look at birdie, I load in. That's it. Oh, but birdie, me just dumpling, we dumpling.
Me done roll them already.
Oh, look at spinach, look at spinach. Look at spinach. Birdie, no man, man like me don't want to spin it alone, man. I want some big round dumpling. I want to birdie.
Them
Come
in
to-
the pot already, you know.
Oh, them down there already?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, say.
Spinners.
Yeah, man, birdie say some spinners down there already, man. Spinners down there already. So them that one birdie, breadfruit and all them something, and yam and all them thing there. Great. You mean birdie? Nice. Yeah,
The
man.
soup right now, you know.
Yeah, birdie.
That more time we on the call of soup, you know, people and we out there to
Smell, oh, you mean?
Yeah, stay there.
Birdie, upstairs, I smell the soup.
Yeah, man,
I'm going to run from here and come back down
You
here.
can't stay there. That's what I tell them, man. People that say, yo, we smell the soup. We out in the town, you know.
Yeah, you mean birdie?
That's why them say me the one soup boss.
One soup
We can't
boss.
go around it.
Oh, you mean? Knock on the birdie again, man. One
Yeah,
soup
go around
boss.
it. There's over there.
One soup boss, birdie. Yeah, man. So today another soup, you know. Well, on today is Saturday, no birdie.
Yeah, man.
So it's on glance Saturday alone in the soup or right through
No,
the week.
man, we do right through the week.
Right through the week.
From Monday,
Yeah,
Wednesday, Friday,
yeah.
we have the chicken foot soup with chicken, cow skin and beef.
Nice, nice.
In between that, the
Yeah.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, the pig's tail soup with red peas.
Nice. Brother, I want you know, you know, three people come here a while ago, you know, I sit down right there.
Right,
So,
sir.
I said, soup ready? I said, no, boss, soup not ready yet.
Yeah, because you see them already early, you know.
Oh, so that's why I come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's
Yeah,
over there.
man. Yeah,
So
man.
them know say normally me da out early.
Early.
That's what I
Nice.
tell you this man. Wa.
Come early.
Yeah.
Oh, but Birdie not sleep, brother.
Yeah.
But when Birdie come, Birdie see pot on fire.
Long
Open
time.
it on, Shanty.
Alright, that's why the team is good.
The team is good.
Yeah, that's why the team is
Team
good.
is
cause
good.
From one not there, next one.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Nice.
Come in
nice.
and start doing what I have to do.
I mean, Birdie.
Start work same time.
Great, great. So guys, like I said, guys, I'm gonna stick around.
Come on, you see when me a season the pot, you know.
Of course, we're there, Birdie. We're there, Birdie. Yeah, man.
That's true.
So guy, you know, so I'm gonna hear, so I'm gonna say, oh, Birdie, you know, I season up the soup pot and all them things, and so rough a taste what I go on. You see me rough a taste what I go on and pot, you know, guys. So make you know how the soup taste on the corner what everybody are talk about. Yeah, man, beautiful ends, guys. Beautiful ends. Yes, man. Beautiful ends, guys. So we're gonna stick around and so I go on. Yeah. So Shanty just lift off the pot a while ago. Shanty a strong though. Put some more coal to the thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Shanty a fan fire there. So you never just put it on it and make it do it thing.
Yeah, that me gonna put it down
Yeah,
back,
man.
Put it down back and go off, and you know.
Yeah. You smoke then and me set a light, you know. So Shanty strong, watch it. Big old pot of that with about 4 cow in it, you know.
That's so bad.
Four cow and Shanty lift up that without ease.
You have to do what you have to do, man.
I mean, Shanty.
You know what the soup
Boy,
have,
guys.
Right now the soup's already. I chew me and slap out.
Yeah. Cause people, a 4-man come here already, me I tell Birdie, you know.
Yeah, man.
The 4-man come already and I tell him, say, boy, soup not ready yet.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
man.
ready, man. No worry, everything in the soup.
But like I said, guys, man, I right spot for come, man. The best soup man in our Wellington town.
Right, that's it.
What that street, stretch of road name again?
Gilset
Gilset Street.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
around the town.
Yeah, man.
See that?
A customer la pass, I said the soup around the town. So hold on there. Me go catch the secret ingredients, or you not gonna show me?
Of course,
You gonna show me? Then I go teeth your style,
Then I
Shanty.
go see it on the camera.
Alright, Shanty, she will show me, but she don't want it on the camera. What draw the crowd them? Shanty, me feel what name now? What name, love?
Which is right.
Of course. So
Only
Chantal,
love.
the secret name love.
Only love.
Yeah, man. So when
Not
you cook
but
food with
love.
love in it, it tastes very good, you know.
Which is
If
right.
in the kitchen you cook and with vex station and the food I come out seem like you're looking.
No vex on here. We're happily cooking in the
Yeah.
kitchen.
You have to smile while cooking, Shanty.
Of course.
Of course, and the
Why
food come
not?
out good. That's how the
Alive
man
and
pass
well,
us.
you know. Not no day in here. Wake up out of your bed, you know.
Nice,
It's
nice.
another day. So you have to
Sunshine.
give thanks and just go with the flow and know say I got it all the way.
Yeah, man. Guys, you want come Shanty come tell me about she 33. Look how she like. Look on her.
Why you mean?
She show look big. Watch her. She lie, you see, man.
Of
You
course,
did-
me at 33.
Look at 23-year-old girl about 33.
What do you mean? April I'm 33.
You for that 33?
Yes.
All right.
Let me change that.
Well, me see the secret behind it. Get up early and come cook.
Which is right.
Nice, nice.
Which
That's the
is
secret
right.
behind it. Nice, nice.
Bird from there.
Yeah, man, sit down now. It's a blaze now, see there? Blazing, guys. See there? Blazing right now.
Yeah, man.
Say by about 12 o'clock now the soup ready.
No, sir.
Or
Which 12 o'clock?
before that.
10:30. Everything in them. I say me just have fun about the fire for go and bubble up and
Alright.
die.
This is lunch already 12 o'clock.
No man, lunch already by 11.
By 11.
Yeah man.
Ooh,
All the way.
sweet.
You have days when it ready at 10:30. You have days when
Sweet.
it ready at 11. Guys, we do stew peas Wednesday. So running on the stew peas Wednesday, the body thing. Let me tell you.
2 piece for
The
the Wednesday.
Yellow image, send that a road.
Nice.
Big up
nice.
you, DL.
Yeah, yeah, guys. So stew peas on a Wednesday, guys. So you just come right down. Come on down,
Baddest
Shanty.
thing,
Come
me say
on
the
down.
baddest thing.
Nice. Well, like me saying, Shanty, someone told me about you, and I said, where?
Yeah.
I search, I'm come, I'm going to some, I said, well, I go on a barber shop.
Yeah.
Who da go in a barber shop? And barber said, no,
Impossible.
brother. And then a barber shop, brother, come, I wrong place today. Say, but yesterday, them send me.
Yeah.
So them say, all right, follow your nose, I'm look good. Me say, me smell something, me look. The rest of them right there, so.
You say
Hold on.
find him.
Me keep on a call Birdie Rasta, man. You know.
Ballad Rasta.
Birdie, yo, you
Oh,
see
that
me?
makes sense.
You need to go Rasta, no, brother.
You ain't know the Rasta.
Yeah, tell the
man.
media
You
say a
forgot
Rasta,
say,
and I say, when the man is saying me come friend, you know, in the summer go, you know, in a bar and a barber shop and ask him a restaurant, and I look good, no, me see. Got them black you off, you know.
Yeah.
Then me smell something nice, and I look, now you me see with the big old soup pot.
Right away.
Yeah, right away. But we're at a Rasta man, but it's just not a Rasta man still, it's a ballad man. Yeah, man, it's a ballad man. So, me know when them see I show me the pork this man, I say, oh, the Rasta the pork.
Yeah, I'm just going to buy some pork a while ago.
Just go buy some pork. Ah!
Right away again. So you know it goes. We love the pork.
Nice, nice. Fire on now, guys. The fire is on, blazing. So what there I know, we're going to see what go on when the food done and thing. Yeah, man. So we're going to follow Shanty, go back upstairs, go see what go on.
I'm gonna use some stew pork.
Yeah, man.
Stew pork. They love the stew pork, you know.
Oh, so there's a soup up.
Yeah.
Nice.
If them like the stew
Keep
pork.
them love to wash up here, you know, because with these days of the restaurant, you know, people I wonder, where she wash?
Here then.
Where she wash her hand? So we like find a little wash here, you know?
Outside.
Here.
Sit there out here.
Great.
Wash your outside.
Oh no man, we see it, man. We see it, man. And also in the kitchen, we also sit in the kitchen with a wash up.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Shanty, a girl always clean, you know. And I said the man not clean, you know, but you know, woman always, you know, when you come out to the cleanse this part of the world, woman are the head of that, you know.
Yeah,
And I
man, you
tell
have
her,
to keep it.
take off the socks. Move the shoes.
And the most compliment that I get, because my roll a lot in my pants, them have seen a man to see.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, there's kitchen around here, always clean, you know.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, Shanty, you know, full of style, you know. You just so short. Yeah, what? 4 feet 2. Still within the range. Can I say 4 feet 2? She said no, 5'2". 5'2".
Yeah.
Of course. So Shanty, you're not married? You know why I ask that though? I'm not man look on you and say she can't cook, you know. So you know I want a wife who can cook, you know.
Yeah, every
No,
day the man
no.
them come back and say,
Of course, no fast food around here. I know pretty girl can't cook, you know. You Shanty?
Eh?
I know friend me and who can't cook, you know.
That's true.
Of course, I know girl can't cook.
I mean, I cook
Yeah,
baby.
Of course, Shanty. Shanty shall cook from my head and knee.
Long time.
Long time.
Ask anybody about it.
Yeah, man. Them know man, I watch you, man.
We got Betsy anyway, straight there. My granny, and she teach me.
She teach you to cook.
That's true.
Alright, grandma cooking at the best, you know.
Yeah.
So hold on. Like we say, grandma teach you know.
Yeah.
You ever put nail in the pot, yeah?
If I say, oh!
Yeah, well, a grandma style like man before pressure cooker come in, man. Nail in the pot. Them say make the meat soft. Come on, guy, leave it in the description.
No,
Have you ever put nail in a pot?
I never ever see my granny done.
Yeah,
Never.
alright, you ever hear about rusty nail in a pot?
Yeah, mama, hear about it, but
Granny do it, my boy,
Never
you
you
see.
see her.
You know, see.
I didn't.
No,
I
but
never see.
them always hide it. You have to catch them. Sorry to all the grandmas, but I know you guys probably hide and put the nail in the pot. you are cooking with a pressure cooker and the meat's so soft.
Right?
Yeah, are you secret that the grandma?
Yeah.
But
But I never see her do
what? Me catch my grandmother do it.
Really?
Yes, man.
I just a say it's a joke.
No, joke me.
I think you're joking.
No.
Yeah.
Serious thing.
You don't feel so.
Alright. Since the thing, me a joke, me a tell you what kind of nail. It's a wall nail.
Yeah?
Laugh again, no?
But what I know, you're right, because the one near them, the one
Alright. It's a wall nail.
They said the meat will pressure them.
Yes, because you never have the pressure cooker. But it's modern time now, guys. We don't know some nail again. So we use the pressure cooker. I know pressure a long time now, but grandma never believe them thing. Yeah, grandma never believe them pressure cooker. You see them? No.
Then put the meat on the stove top and cook it.
Yeah. And put it. Well,
The cold stove, I lied.
Alright, I'm going to ask Shanty something now. Because you say a grandma teach her to cook.
Yeah,
So they
man.
cook your rice and peas and you put your meat to soak from like last night.
Yeah.
You do that? Ah,
My peas them go to soak every night up here.
nice.
Yeah, I'm a pig tail and all these
Yeah, man,
things.
'cause mama-
Sometimes
when
I have
mama-
to deal with. Yeah.
When mama go cook rice and peas tomorrow Sunday, you know.
Yeah.
From say about 4:30 Saturday morning, you know. Peas gone soak already.
Of course.
I said to me craving.
Yeah.
The time morning come, you know.
Yeah.
Come on, the rice and peas. Of course. Hold on. As a chef,
Yeah.
guys, me just a talk, you know. Instead of she's a coconut milk more time, you know, say, hi, Mr. Shunai Pat.
Yeah?
You got to oil and rice and peas, water, like
Oh, yeah, man.
You do that already?
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Alright,
running
so
up
you
to that.
see, when you use the straight coconut milk, I don't use the but you see, if I use coconut powder, I will use the
Is there a preference in your coconut powder? I'm here to defend that one, but
No, lie. The baddest thing for the master
Yeah,
is
that's
Caribbean choice. It's the Caribbean choice, you see this?
But now,
Hey, I mean, you say a great second brother, but big up on the sales. It's
But
the
now,
Caribbean choice are the best.
so like you ever try Kennedy?
Of course, I used to use Kendall.
Why about it in life?
No, I love it, you know.
A straight coconut, you know?
A straight Kendall me used to use, you know.
Oh, but why you change?
But
Get there?
because I find the better remedy, you know.
Caribbean choice.
choice. So I stick to it.
Brother, show
So
them.
sometimes in my kitchen you will see the
What you talking about, this guy?
yeah man, sometimes you will see the Kendall and sometimes you will see the Caribbean choice. So I still use them.
Yeah, look for Kendall, I'm not
No, not in here now, but sometimes the time if the Caribbean choice run out, they will still not fall back from the Kendall.
Alright.
But yeah. So cooking at home before I come and open the restaurant and stuff.
Yeah.
A straight Kendall music.
Straight Kendall.
Yeah.
So you still use your yard though?
Yeah man, I still use it on my yard.
Of course. You know,
Alright, so
you want to ask me
we wash.
why I'm just a chat about Kendall, so you know.
Why?
Ask
Yeah man,
So
that's
you know
what
ask.
I'm saying.
Me see for your teeth, man, say you ask me.
I want some more Kendall. Tell me about it.
You know why?
Why?
Because when me a cook, I'm going to the local supermarket and buy coconut powder.
Yeah.
It's at the cheapest.
Oh.
That's how me use it.
I see.
It's at the cheapest. You
But
understand?
the price for this not so bad neither.
Caribbean choice.
Yeah, it's not so bad.
Kendall cheap
Don't
on it,
worry
man.
with it.
Kendall cheap on it. Yeah, man.
You sure?
So there's no more secret thing to tell about the Kendall again.
You sure?
Yeah? Cheap.
Well, you can't tell me about the Kendall still. Tell me
No.
about it.
Yeah, the chef.
But I don't think it's the cheapest either, but you know it do it work.
Alright.
It do it work, man.
Nice. So guys, what Shanty is saying now, you use your Caribbean choice, preferably the Kendall. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Try it, guys. Try it. Yeah.
So that's the great
Try it.
what you call this now? The
Garlic.
garlic.
You know, so me have to add a little garlic in
Of
it.
course.
A stew pork, little ginger,
Nice.
little, you know, a little
Yeah.
pepper, you know, for stir fry. I mean,
So this is how Shanty doing it. So remember, this is the start. I'm gonna
Yeah.
also show you the finishing touch. There with her.
Right.
Stay here with her. If you want to do in a shanty, I can do it.
Here it is.
If you want to like
I'm going to run it, man. I reach far, man. I will drop in my rice. I know I'll pull up my rice.
Alright,
You know?
alright, shanty. You know, when I suit up shanty, I want a big plate of food.
Yeah.
I don't want another plate. Just say, shine something over there. I show the guys. Just say, I got more phone there.
That's something else, you know.
Alright, Shanty, so we're gonna come back on you again
Alright.
when you almost get in there.
Alright.
The spice, me know, you know.
Yeah,
So
man.
I'm here the first time, so I'm gonna be there.
Nice. See the guys, so we're going on the finishing touch. Look, thick.
Tick it up, you know.
I want for the cow skin make it so thick. Boy, they will not tell the secret because she tell me how but we can't talk.
Everything in the spice, you know.
Yeah, man. We can't talk. We want to make it so thick.
Yeah, man, I see the spice,
Yeah, man.
you know. This is the season, you know.
Season are going
Everybody
right.
want to know what me I do.
Great. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Everybody want to know what me I
Great. So it's by 10:30, it's ready, birdie.
do. It's ready.
Ready. Yeah, guys, all over I go, man. The man so thick.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Well rich.
Whoa. So like, you know put like in your hand, make it and taste it.
Yeah, man.
Of course.
The taste it, man.
Yeah, man. So that's the great birdie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Me give my name now. I know we give the look a chef them the name them, you know. So we call birdie Stretch. Otherwise called Lanky.
Alright.
Yeah, man. We Jamaican don't really for the nickname, you know. We love nickname, man. Especially for I can tell us them used to call my name at school. What used to call you at school?
You call me Pigeon.
Pigeon.
All kind of thing.
Tall man.
Tall man.
Yeah, man. You see me? Alright. You start coming there, start cook now.
Tall man is a name, you know. Just because I'm tall.
Yeah.
They always call me tall.
Tall
man. I
man.
don't know why.
Nice.
I don't know
But
why.
most of the people come and call you Soapy.
Soapy.
Soapy. Of course. And if you sell broom, they call you
Broomy.
Broomy.
Because just selling the soup, make them start calling me Soapy.
Yeah, man. They call you Soapy now.
Yeah,
of
man.
course. But originally it's Birdie is the man.
Yeah,
you know.
man. I know because them know my name either.
Yeah.
Them know it's a birdie, you know, but
Birdie.
Soapy.
It's a
It
Soapy.
turn Soapy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yes, man. I can put you on YouTube. Yeah, man. Boss a wheelie, no? Boss a wheelie. Boss a wheelie. You can't wheelie. He said he can't wheelie, guys. He cannot wheelie. Yeah, man. So, Birdie. Yeah, guys. So, if you come here, guys, and go upstairs, man, we'll find a restaurant. Yeah, man. And downstairs, where you find a soup. And on a Friday, I was told that they do like chicken and fries. And fries, right? The fries and thing.
We
And
do chicken and chips on Friday and Saturday, but we do it right through same way. but
oh,
we
right
just
through.
hard eye.
Oh, you have to hard it and then get it.
Hard eye, yeah,
Nice, nice.
We do Chinese food too.
Oh, yeah, say.
Yeah, man, if you want Chinese food, you can
You get it upstairs in the restaurant.
Nice. Chicken,
nice.
pasta, all of them things.
Nice.
Yeah, man, the chef body upstairs, man. Door up.
Upstairs. It's
Yeah,
here there.
man. Door up.
So, what Birdie was saying that they do Chinese food upstairs.
Yeah, man.
Just come and order your food upstairs and you get it.
Get it
Yes,
right
man.
order. Watch it like a sprinkle like a salt in it. This one
Nice.
salt.
Oh, yeah, Birdie. Eat.
Salt. I don't think I will eat the salt. I like the salt.
Little bit of salt.
Season done salt already.
Yes, so just put a little tips and a little salt in it. Nice. Great.
So the flavor, the color change, you know?
Nice.
Yeah, man. Let me see.
Yeah, guys, so you know we're on the Gilset Street, you know, just when you come from down the police station, down the bottom of the road down there, so I show you earlier, guys. You just come up the road, right beside the, there's a little cash pot area, you come and find Birdie right here, you cannot miss him. Yeah, man, so you see his sign, Shanty's, you know, restaurant, and there's a barber shop right here also, guys. You want a cut, you just come right here. Sorry for the noise, well, if I die in my bar, can I go on? Like they want soup too. Yeah, man. Oh, nice. You put it there in the season. So that's the season for the soup pork over here.
No, man. Oh, yeah, that's
Yes,
soup pork
that's
and
funny.
soup pork and if I get a little piece of ginger, I know, man. Fat taste with the ginger, you know?
Ginger, nice.
Yeah, man.
Great. If you don't have the actual ground provision ginger, you normally use the juice. Or you don't use the juice.
Straight ginger, man.
Straight ginger.
Yeah, man.
Ginger, guys. I want to use Shanty and everything just to wash up now. It's great, man. Great, everything she wash. Yeah, everything she touch to wash. with our running water, which is the greatest thing right here.
Okay, going on.
Nice, cleansing this with the shanty.
Clean as you go.
And over here in this pink piece is a good old, there's a pork.
Yes.
Pork right here.
Pork.
Like we can't eat this right now, Shanty.
Right.
Nothing we do anything can eat right now. Of
Right.
course. So you normally boil the pork?
No.
You boil it?
No.
Because some person normally boil it, or because it's salt, make them boil it. I don't know, but I go to a restaurant and see someone that boil the pork before they cook it.
Just watch my pork clean.
And then just do it. Well, that's how we do it too. Yeah, I never go much in it when I boil steam pork. Yeah, man. Of course. I don't know why I boil that. I didn't really ask him why I do it.
Really?
Yeah, boil it and then say, nah, man, cook it up. Boil it and then cut it up.
Oh.
And then cook it up. Yeah. Well, that's in a shanty kitchen, very hot, but it's best to be hot than cold. Because you cannot cool and heat and you're going to sick. No, a real thing. You don't want to AC yourself? No. You're going to sick out, man. You're going to sick out. Restaurant is hot. Oh, to go to eat. Support the eat. Also, this is a fryer for the chicken.
Always up already, you know?
Nice.
This is the next thing coming up.
Oh, so you're going to put some chicken in it too?
Right now.
I'm going to load downstairs for a while. I'm going to stick with Shanty up here.
Really?
Nah, move.
That's you do?
Not going to move.
Really? You're there.
Your friend come link you a while ago again. I'm going to take off this off the media and make Shanty know what's up. Oh, pepper.
You're going to have
Shanty, you're used to this. And let's run around the kitchen.
When I stir fry my meat, them, I little before, you know?
Yeah.
Some people literally put them meat with water.
Oh, you
You
know
know?
that?
No.
Nice.
Have a stir fry, you know?
Because sometimes meat itself produces its own water, you know? Yeah. Produces its own water.
When we go in a friend, I still have to do meat with water. Straight water.
But we cook my meat with water too.
Oh.
Like
You
to
don't
fry it.
stir fry and
No, I literally fry it first and then put water on it. You understand? So if I
stir fry first.
first, yeah man, I want to do that first. So you're saying you see first and don't do that, then just cook it down in the water.
Cook it down on straight water.
Foreign style that man.
When them content overseas and you see them, they want to make a restaurant. You working on.
Oh, you're working our son that foreign?
Yeah. Oh.
You left your legacy at the Shanty.
Yeah, man. First, you go cook one at a time, you know?
Yeah. So I'll watch this noir.
Just go cook one at a time.
Hold on, Shanty. Sorry for cutting you. What the restaurant name with that record is?
Oh, wait, I don't want to know, I know.
You try remember the name.
I don't remember the name now.
Alright, cool.
Don't
Just remember until the man, but she don't there for sure.
Yeah, man.
She
Buy
don't there
that
for sure.
everything.
Nice.
Jerry, big up yourself.
Nice.
Yeah. Now we're to Terry, you know?
Yeah. Great restaurant.
2 members telling me.
Alright. Yeah, man. That's a bad chef, man. And she alone too, you know. With must about 1 dozen pot on fire and she alone run it too.
And the beef
Yeah,
is the flour.
I like it down scissor on the soup alone.
And the real.
And this is the flour.
That's the real.
This is the good old flour. So what the flour you gonna make? You're gonna make some spinners or you're gonna make dumpling?
I'm gonna make a pasta with the flour.
Oh.
And
Fun dumpling, man. I throw in a say make dumplings also look fun dumpling. Yes. Yeah guys, so we're on the soup right now, you know. Beautiful soup. Yeah man, it's so hot man. But like I said, you can come right here and sit man and catch your foot on a little wall. Catch up on the wall and drink your soup, or you sit down on a chair and drink your soup. Why birdie? The soup bad brother.
flavor.
And what you know, guys? Look here, you see, we Jamaican buy soup, and you know, you have soup here and soup right over there. Everybody's soup tastes different, you know. Yeah, man, you have some people even soup taste watery. I have some man soup thick like porridge. I have some man soup just it just dead. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So you know, probably ask me now, what me I say about that soup, you know? That soup is just rich. Rich, man. Great, birdie, great. So you say, birdie, say, I don't know, you have the pork in it and you have the cow skin, beef, chicken foot. So I just a foot alone, one to the head.
That's so real. Other country in there.
Of course. We're just kidding, guy. We don't put chicken in the soup. Oh, dash for that. We dash it to it. But you know, just to be humorous, look a joke, you know. Same with the food. Because I guess I don't have the cow foot tonight and I have the cow skin. So we also the chicken skin there. Tonight too.
Drop off of the food.
Drop off of the food. Yeah, man. So on Gilsey Street, I'm at, guys. Gilsey Street, we'll find them wherever they are. I always told you that. I find them wherever they are. Yeah, man, this big nose, find them wherever them. From the food good, the nose I'll find them. Yeah, man. From the food good, the food nose I'll find them.
Yeah, man.
And this is the beautiful ends you can come, guys. Very relaxing. You know, you even come here and you want to go well a haircut. There's a barber shop right beside him. Yeah, man. They give nice haircut. And also, guys, there's a, may I promote them, you know. There's a hair salon also upstairs. Yes, man. So I promote them thing. So right here, said I come like a one-stop. Food, haircut. You know, you have hairdresser. So it's a one-stop. Yeah, man. So I'm having the soup. A little more from this, I'm gonna have the rice and the peas. Yeah, man. And all the cow and the beef. We're gonna have them tonight, man. So guys, I'll be back with you in a few. So here, guys. Yeah, man. It's the best soup boss in on Gilsey Street. The taxi man pass me the meat. Taxi man pass and say, boy, you get soup, but if they get the meat, you get a lot of food. You get meat, man. The way the food, the way the meat, nice meat, and not you realize I meat in my eat. Yeah, man. You see it? Yeah, man. I see the girl and get them shape from the soup. That me know what I say, but she gone. No, every day she buy. That do something to her, man. That do something for her. Do something for her. Beef cooking on right here. Ooh. Yeah, beef cooking. So on the rice and peas, it done already?
Yeah, the rice and peas.
Let's see if finishing touch on these. Chantel. You're gonna call me Chantel. Finishing touch on the rice and peas right here. Ooh, beautiful.
Really like Freddy.
You really like Freddy.
Yes, Jaden.
You're time, man. On time, you really said that done before 12. You know your craft. Of course, you know our craft.
Freddy, Shelly rice and
Rice
peas.
and peas. They said Shelly.
Plan.
Shelly. Nice. And over here, so you have the chicken what? Fried and the fried thing right here.
Fried.
Yeah, fried. Neat like a fryer thing, what you do. See that? Neat like a fryer. We still look at it, man. We sauce that.
Sauce to the fried chicken, man.
This is how we're gonna this.
Yeah,
The season for what?
pork, we are going
Stew
through
pork.
it. Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to see the finishing touch of the stew pork for you.
Yeah, man.
Great.
That we are going with that now.
Great.
We bevel down, you know?
Ah. Yeah, she said bevel down, that means say that simmer down. That's go down, bevel down.
Right down.
Nice.
Yes. birdie say to get the spoon. Fry like right off honey.
Oh, yeah, it was a timer.
Yeah, you went upstairs.
Beautiful chicken right here. Ooh. Nice. So that's the chicken gravy I make right there.
No, that's what I barbecue.
Barbecue gravy.
When Saturday come, I just dress up. When I really do not worry about handangers in the
Oh. So when you get time to rest on a Sunday?
Sometimes Monday I not work.
Oh, sometimes on a Monday.
Yeah.
So Chantel, you go to church on a Sunday?
No, Saturday.
Saturday church?
Sometimes I visit the Sunday church.
But you go to church on a Saturday? You mean when you go to church? In the night? But today Saturday, you know?
When I had that person with me up here. Then
Oh. Makes sense now. Alright, so the chef said she go to church, man. When she have the next half. But when the half is not here,
not
she'll
the
load.
next half.
Oh.
I mean, you know, the
Oh, the next chef?
yeah, man.
Oh.
Not the next half.
Oh.
The next half.
So she said the next chef. Like, a male or a female, like I said.
It wasn't there now.
It's a male. So Chantel and I run things today. I tell him say Chantel alone run things today.
Chantel, I run things for the past months now.
For the past month. And I want to be like, boy, you know, you do a thing with a smile and that because you see me, you know, because I come look for you one day. I don't know who me, you still a laugh same, you know. Yeah, man.
I want to
Do a thing. Our face ever full of smile, man. Are you with him smiling?
I'm in the world of tear down, you know?
Kill him with a smile.
Yeah.
I don't like kill him with a smile. So this year Chantel say, yo, kill him with a smile. I want to roll a tear down.
Yeah, man.
I want to vex, kill him with a smile.
And when things not go well,
Kill him with a smile.
let them know they have to kill him with a smile.
Kill him with a smile. So this year, 2025 now, how do them Chantel? Kill him with a smile.
Right,
Of course.
Right.
Nice. Chantel, now hearing it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What else? That go there?
Yeah.
Just add the
Yeah, when I chef place and work, I want hearing it, you know.
Yeah.
Never remember, so. Yeah, guys, so we are here and the finishing touch. Yeah, man, finishing touch of the final. Beautiful food right here. Beautiful food right here. Ooh. See the guys? Yeah. So the great chef is right here. And right now, you know, she's done everything in the kitchen, but she's very tired. She want to go help us eat in her van, you know? Yeah, man, so we're going to eat right now, you know? Yeah, guys, so this is the great chef beside me right now. Yeah, man. So like I said, we're on Interest Street. You can't miss, man. You cannot miss. So like I showed you before, the area, you cannot miss. So you want your good old soup, I'll tell you about the food still, I'll tell you about the soup already. Beautiful, nice. Yeah, man. So we're going to take a dive now on our food. Yeah, man, we're going to take a dive.
Every day I try to find things in a new set, but late at night I look for girls I will never get.
Food is excellent, guys, trust me. This is a place to be. And Gilse Street.
Everyone is telling me it's late to come
37.5 Gilse Street.
now the games are over.
Cannot miss. Just as you come in Runnington Town Square, past the police station and come straight up, you can't miss.
The hardest was to understand. That's so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come. I felt so young and never called the name you wore. From ash to glow, I fall in love. Distance, we've got distance.
Guys, the search never have one plate. Cash a fruit up. cover, but she never want to shake on it.
Distances can put on a flame.
Yeah, I've seen man, but I don't know.
Loving gone as far, we better keep apart and find.
So chef, I must tell you what I'm having. So we're having the chicken, the beef, and also the cow. Yeah man, so the chicken, beef and the cow. You put pork in there too? We're gonna reach a pork yet. Tell them taste already. Yeah man. Two pork right here now. Soft and tender. Soft and tender, guys. Beef. Ooh! You can taste the season of the beef. Chef, how when you seasoned this last night? She started today, she seasoned it up. I lie, she tell you, man, I lie. This season from last night. Bad, man, it's bad, man, I tell you, it's bad. Chef, I can't get some more. She'll laugh. She said no. Like me, I like it. The way the food bad, man. Yeah, man, food tastes good.
They never tell you a lie, you know. They never tell you a lie when they send you out here.
And the curry goat, can recommend. Trust me, curry goat, nice, soft, and tender. Sorry about that, guys. A car just passing. When I'm supposed to definitely come into that car there. Ooh. I'm glad I'm there from morning to so sharp cook. So I see all of the ingredients. So when I cook my food, I straight that me I do. I take my ingredients, trust me. Nice. So like I said, guys, they can taste bud. Find them wherever they are. Although somebody recommend me for your sister, but we still find her. Nevertheless, still find her. So until we meet again, yes guys, I'm back. I know you haven't seen me in a while, but I'm back. I was out because of my back, but now I'm in, I'm back. So, like, share and subscribe to all my new subscribers. Share with your friend. Yeah, so we'll find a little food spot for you and your family so they can come and try the food. And here is very recommended to you guys and have your food. So she said this year she's gonna start back her breakfast in the morning, so you can come here early in the morning and get your breakfast. You understand? Yes. Also soup and your lunch. What are your clothes at that time?
Why it varies. So on the weekend we go straight back till midnight, you know.
Oh, so you still can't get your dinner.
Remember, with the delivery, and
Whoa.
the number to call is 876-358-7908. We got loads of things going over the liquor restaurant here. Very bad. As I say, you have your food, you can come get all different dishes.
Nice.
Remember with the pasta, shrimp, chicken, with the chicken wrap, mutton wrap. You know the whole works, chicken and fries, loaded fries.
The number again?
Everything. 876-358-7908.
Great. But like I said, guys, Dave and Taste Bud will see you again. So right now we're going to finish consuming food in a fast way. I was giving it to you slow, but now I'm going to do it fast. I'm going to come up a camera. Bless up on yourself. One love.